Finally, we're going to be seeing some relief from this oppressive heat that's been gripping the south and the east for well over a week now. This is the same heat that's caused extreme fire dangers on Friday and caused, well, this smoke plume from the Gale River fire to stream across Hobart. Amazing imagery, as you can see on screen there. That fire actually reported over a week ago in that forested region. Now, the cool change is going to be sweeping New South Wales during the weekend. It's a southerly buster for the coastline, but it's also going to be accompanied with what looks like pretty intense showers and thunderstorms. So let's take a look how this is playing out. We're also going to be talking about how Penny's looking as well. On Saturday, cooler southerlies, a 20-degree drop between days between Friday and Saturday for you in Victorian parts of Tasmania. And you can even see that we have that southerly moving through parts like Sydney, the Wollongong, and even the lower Hunter Central Coast region by the time we get to Saturday early afternoon. That'll cause some nice cooling. However, inland locations still in this northwesterly. Behind it, that trough, you can see the southwesterly. So we still have elevated fire danger in New South Wales on Saturday, but thankfully in Victoria and Tasmania, because much cooler day overall, that fire danger absolutely plummets. Now, as that cool change rolls across New South Wales on Saturday, it'll also bring with it the chance of intense rain showers and thunderstorms. This is the same time period. You can see a few showers in western Tasmania, a few showers across Victoria as well, but during the course of Saturday afternoon, showers and storms start to kick off on parts of the Riverina region, the southern slopes ranges, the southern highlands of New South Wales, and even parts of the Sydney Basin and the Hunter region and the central west of New South Wales as well. Zooming in on this region, you can see just how intense these rainfall rates look. Now, right now, the target of some of the heavier rainfall rates looks to be around the Snowy Mountains, the ACT area, and right up into that southern highlands region, so the Bowral region, Mittagong area, right down into that southern slopes region. Potentially very heavy rain and potentially flash flooding, and storms possible in Newcastle, Sydney, and Wollongong area as well during the course of Saturday afternoon, rapidly dropping temperatures. Looking at that forecast for Saturday into Sunday, we get that relief spreading right across New South Wales. So by Sunday, places like Dubbo, Singleton, Scone, and the Hunter Free, you will all have those nicer temperature. Much warm, still warm, but nowhere near that extreme heat that we've been experiencing. And you can see that's continuing to move over Tasmania and Victoria as well. Now, if we take a look what's happening further to the north, this is what's happening with Cyclone Penny. There's a lot of model uncertainty with this still because the steering mechanisms for this cyclone are unclear. It looks like a ridge is going to be building, and that ridge could steer it towards the Queensland coast, but we're not exactly sure how strong that ridge is going to be. So there's three weather systems. We got a tropical lower cyclone north of Fiji, a high pressure system in the Tasman Sea, and Penny over there. And depending on how this ridge interacts with that system is how it's going to be moving towards the coast. But you can see it does look like it's going to be moving towards the coast, potentially making landfall as a tropical low or cyclone mid next week.